Welcome back to Product Critique, your go-to channel for all things culinary. Today, we're diving into the world of spices with a product that's been making waves in kitchens worldwide. Get ready to elevate your dishes with the best store-bought chili powder on the market, Rani Kashmiri Chilli Powder. If you're a fan of Indian cuisine or simply love adding a kick to your dishes, then you're in for a treat. Rani Kashmiri Chilli Powder isn't just any ordinary spice. It's a game changer, and here's why. First off, let's talk about flavor. This chili powder delivers a perfect balance of heat and complexity, thanks to its low heat rating of 12,000 to 15,000 Shu. But don't let the low heat fool you. It's packed with enough punch to spice up your favorite recipes without overwhelming your taste buds. And the best part? It's not just about the heat. Rani Kashmiri Chilli Powder brings a vibrant red color and rich chili flavor to your dishes, making them not only delicious but visually stunning too. Whether you're whipping up a classic curry, adding depth to soups and stews, or even experimenting with deviled eggs like never before, this chili powder is your secret ingredient for culinary success. But that's not all. Rani Kashmiri Chilli Powder ticks all the boxes when it comes to quality and authenticity. Made with 100% natural ingredients, this spice is vegan, kosher, and gluten-friendly, ensuring that it caters to a wide range of dietary preferences. Plus, with Rani's commitment to quality and freshness, you can trust that each jar is packed with the finest chili sourced from India, bringing the authentic flavors of the region straight to your kitchen. So, if you're ready to take your culinary creations to new heights, look no further than Rani Kashmiri Chilli Powder. With its perfect balance of flavor, heat, and versatility, it's no wonder why this spice has become a pantry essential for home cooks and chefs alike. Thanks for tuning in to Product Critique. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more reviews on the best products for your kitchen adventures. Until next time, happy cooking!